All right, so you guys know Naveed. Naveed started off as an intern at AIB, and over the last decade or so, he's gone from being my colleague to one of my closest friends. और आज की कहानी शुरू होती है करीबन 6 महीने पहले. I was talking to Naveed and I was whining about कि मेरा फोन पुराना हो गया है, मुझे नया फोन चाहिए. And a few weeks later, Naveed was coming to Bangalore and he surprised me with a new phone. It was honestly the nicest thing and I didn't know what to say. A couple of months ago, I was in Mumbai and I was talking to Naveed's brother Naseef और उसने बताया कि नवीद को एक नया गाड़ी लेना है और पिछले कुछ महीनों से वो डेली ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट्स पे जाके गाड़ी के स्पेक्स वगैरह चेक कर रहा है. एंड व्हेन आई हर्ड दैट आई वाज लाइक आई न्यू देन एंड देयर कि फोन का बदला लेने का टाइम आ गया. I'm buying Naveed a car.
What? Oh my god! Crazy! Oh god! Love it.
A few months ago, Naveed gifted me a phone because I was telling Naseef saying I want a phone. When he came to Bangalore, he just gave me a phone. And I got so pissed. And I was like, yo, now you just watch.
Not at all competitive. A very nice, healthy friendship. Tanmay, when are we becoming friends like that? Come to a level like lehenga level. When is star level friendship coming?
That level friendship comes with a lot of torture. Last week I yelled at Naveed, dude. I was so stressed about something. And then at like 2 a.m. I'm messaging Naveed saying, listen, sorry, I was so stressed today. I yelled at you. Sorry, love you. Naveed's like, मेरे को पता था तू stressed है, इसलिए मैं कुछ बोला ही नहीं तेरे को. I was just like, what cunt. Guys, I was just having a meeting with Devaya. And I just told Dev saying I'm getting Naveed a car. And Dev told me a funny story. Dev, can you tell everyone?
Yeah, so our Mr. Naveed went to a random some dealer, I don't know where in Bombay, and he bought a second-hand Polo. Okay,
Really?
full new car. Yeah, he bought a second-hand Polo, like fully messaged and all that. Like he got conned. Okay, some massive like gearbox or some massive issue, and that issue costed almost as much as the car that he bought.
Really?
So he gave it back to the same guy at like some 40,000 loss.
So it was decided कि मैं नवीद के लिए गाड़ी लेने वाला हूँ. But I know nothing about cars. I'm not a car nerd. I've had the same car for the last 10 years. So I decided to speak to some experts and I called my friend Ashdeep who works at Spinny. Ashdeep is a car nerd और गाड़ी परखना उसका काम है. So I knew I'd be getting the best advice. अब नसीब ने मुझे बताया कि नवीद को चाहिए था एक जर्मन कार. So after spending a few days on Spinny, we found a beautiful mint condition Volkswagen Vento. And once we found the car, मैंने test drive के लिए भेजा आकाश और ऐश्वर्या के घर पे. And this is how it went.
No way! Oh my god! What car is this?
Volkswagen Vento.
I must say, it looks damn sexy. We're gonna go test drive Volkswagen Vento.
Oh wow, काफी सही है यार. गाड़ी बदलनी है क्या?
एकदम हम भी सही है. So Naseef, how's your driving skill?
Do you have medical insurance?
Nice. Naseef, do you understand Hindi?
हाँ,
You-
समझ
समझ सकते हैं.
बोलने थोड़ा मुश्किल
नसीफ, हम पूरा वार्तालाप हिंदी में ही करें. कर लिया. Tell us about Naveed's car journey.
Naveed is a car enthusiast.
Is it?
Yeah.
पहला गाड़ी कौन सा था उसका?
It was an Alto, I guess. हमारा family car.
Nice. Here he bought a car, no?
और that was a second hand. And उसका gearbox में थोड़ा scene.
And that was also Volkswagen, no? Can we say that he likes Volkswagen?
We love German.
नवीद यहाँ पे बैठेगा. यहाँ पे कौन बैठेगा नसीफ?
You should have. I don't know.
Why aren't you saying you will sit?
Correct.
Is it because somebody else will be sitting over here? How's the engine? Is she wild?
इसका पिकअप स्ट्रॉन्ग है क्या?
Yeah.
David likes strong pickup.
Let me ask a boy question. कितना देती है?
This is so sporty.
Sporty.
Yeah. Sporty means less mileage.
Oh, think of me as a 6-year-old who does not. Oh, okay, I got it. No, I got it. Wow, that was very good engine.
वो ये sports mode
Sorry.
नहीं, that was drive mode.
था. वो sports mode is more insane.
Since when does Naveed want a car?
Last November.
Last November.
Yeah, badly looking for a car. अभी मेरे को बोला that I need a car from tomorrow, either rental or something.
ये क्या हम 10th को दे रहे हैं ना उसको?
हाँ.
तो आज है 6th. तो 4 दिन तू कैसे उसको फिरकी लेने वाला है?
He asked me to rent a car for 30 days.
हाँ.
So मैंने क्या किया? I took a car for 7 days.
Oh, smart.
वो निकल देगा उसको.
Navid actually गाड़ी तो 3-4 साल से ढूंढ रहा है. And for some reason I don't know why he always just goes for fucked up cars. Always. कुछ ना कुछ. Lockdown में he got a second hand Sandro
Sandro.
for 50,000 rupees.
Oh, wow.
और वो चला चला के हम लोनावाला तक पहुंच गए थे.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
वापस आ ही नहीं पाए वो गाड़ी. छोड़ दिया गाड़ी.
और फिर उठाया कि नहीं?
कुछ करके फिर लाया. लेकिन नवीद का ऐसा ही है. सस्ता लेने के चक्कर में कुछ तो कुछ ही करेगा.
नहीं, ये तो इस टाइम हम उस पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं ना.
Yeah, everyone
Nice.
with the best in the business. Spinny.
We're trying sports mode. Oh Jesus! Wow! Oh Jesus! My God! Okay. Got it.
This the engine.
Yes, the engine is great. Love it for Naveed.
गोटी मुंह में आ गया.
Naseef, what do you think Naveed's reaction will be to?
मस्त होगा.
खुश होगा?
Yeah.
Does he like the color white?
पहला भी white.
White ही था. Oh, then it's a good choice. Okay, we've finally finished our adventure. Naseef, rate the car.
9 on 10.
Yeah, I as a car fanatic who knows everything about car would like to rate this 11 on 10. Can't wait to see Naveed's look on his face. Naseef, any last words for the vlog?
Like, share, subscribe.
Perfect. He's learned it.
Once the test drive was done, it was time to head to Mumbai to surprise Naveed with the car. I have landed in Bombay. Naveed has gotten so desperate for a car that he has hired a rental for a week just to see what it's like to have a car.
You know, people meet me randomly and say, "Tanmay ne diya hua lehenga bahut sundar hai." What fucking lehenga has this boy given? Not one. Half of
Arey
chunni
Baba,
is not given.
yes. I'm due to give you a gift, but it's now about Naveed. So Ashu has just pointed out, and this is not forced upon me. I'm doing it out of my own free will because this is how I
But
truly
now when you
believe.
say it like this, people will think
No,
it's forced.
not. This car we are gifting to Naveed. It's on behalf of all of us. Everyone who's in the vlog is contributing to giving Naveed this
No,
car.
not like emotionally, even otherwise. Like,
And before we know it, it was the day of the surprise. Naveed को surprise देना है ये तो पता था, लेकिन surprise कैसे देना है, क्या करना है, ये अब तक clear नहीं था.
the way to bring Naveed down, which everybody else is suggesting, is very bad. Akash is calling urgent work.
हाँ.
But the idea is that Naseef will call Naveed saying ki bhai, please come to the parking lot. This rental car that we got, somebody has broken the windshield. If you tell him to come to Bandra and all, then he'll go for a bath. He'll put perfume. Like, oh no, this perfume is not nice. Let me change my t-shirt only.
Violence is the better idea.
Violence is best. थोड़ा subtle will keep. He was saying कि टायर उड़ गया है. टायर उड़ गया क्या है यार? Windshield is broken. Is a good enough reason.
If I were you, I'd be a little scared of.
I'm already scared.
कैसी बातें कर रहा है? तू डरता है मुझसे? तेरे को डर लग रहा है मुझसे?
नहीं, ऐसे ही।
तू डरता है मुझसे आकाश?
Just a joke.
We are discussing what songs the band should play when we give him the car.
I suggested Raja की आएगी बारात.
No, this is for him, not for you.
Sir, you also said आज मेरे यार की शादी है.
I did.
So it's not for
I did.
you. It's
But
for him.
I would have said आज मेरे यार की गाड़ी है, just as like a parody of it.
Yeah, so I also was gonna sing Raja की आएगी बारात इन गाड़ी.
क्या लग रहा है यार गाड़ी? ना?
Yeah.
Sexy लग रहा है ना? Wow, even he looks so impressed.
गाड़ी गिफ्ट देने वाला है, तो कैसा गाना बजाना चाहिए?
गाना भी ऐसा नाचने वाला ही चाहिए.
नाचने वाला करेगा.
हाँ नहीं शादी में क्या बचता है, शादी में.
शादी में तो जैसा भांगड़ा बिगड़ा सब ये आज मेरी यार की शादी.
आज मेरी यार की शादी है.
I didn't want him to say it, but he said it.
Guys, the car is ready. This is Anas. Anas's job was to panic and go tell Naveed to come down to the parking lot urgently. Anas ऊपर जाएगा, क्या बोलेगा?
कार शीट किसी ने फोड़ दिया.
Look, no, guys, we can't send him. He's horrible. He's awful.
Anas ये नवीद है.
अभी quickly come down. कार शीट टूट गया and
Wait, नवीद को बुला तो सही. नवीद तब से टाइपराइटर में काम करता है.
नसीब बोल दिया. अरे यार गया.
नवीद कार शीट टूट गया. नसीब फाइट कर रहा है नीचे. तन्मय भट्ट भी है नीचे. चल जल्दी.
तन्मय भट्ट भी है.
अच्छा तन्मय भट्ट बोलेगा तो उसको पता चल जाएगा.
मैं दरवाजे के जब बाहर हूँ ना तब मैं उसको कॉल करता हूँ. नवीद कॉल क्यों नहीं उठा रहा है? फिर मैं अंदर जाता हूँ.
नहीं तू और ड्रामा मत ऐड कर. तू बस जाके उसको बुला.
15 minutes later.
कर लेगा ना? All the best.
Don't fuck it up.
सॉरी किसी ने कार शीट तोड़ दिया. कार कार का।
क्या
कार शीट तोड़ दी है तो नसीब फाइट कर रहा है सिक्योरिटी गार्ड से, पता नहीं किसने।
तो जब जाते हैं कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता।
नवीद यहाँ से भी आ सकता है, यहाँ से भी आ सकता है, यहाँ से भी आ सकता है। नवीद का मैसेज आया, कमिंग डाउन। ओके कूल। क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया?
नसीब को टेक्स्ट कर रहा हूँ, टेंशन मत ले, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
All right, you want to unveil it?
Why don't you do it together?
हाँ, come, Ashu, come.
Woo! Let's go! My God, guys, is he crying? Oh, no, he's crying. Guys, oh shit.
Why you do this?
अरे मेरे को 2 हफ्ता से नसीब वीडियो भेज रहा है कि तू स्पिनी पे गाड़ी ढूंढ रहा था, इसलिए तो मैं तेरे को डिले कर रहा था। I was this close to buying it, okay? So I was like, no, wait, रुका के फिर फाइनली आ गया। Thank you. अरे यही है।
Guys, get a room. Get into the car.
Come, let's drive. Does it drive well? देखना, एक हाथ से ड्राइव कर रहा है, देखना। अनस ऐसा पैनिक लग रहा था क्या?
पर आई थिंक उसका परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर से ज्यादा पैनिक हो गया था। सिर्फ गाड़ी का कांच कोई तोड़ दिया, मतलब चांस नहीं है। इधर कैमरा भी है सब जगह।
But what did you think of his acting? I trained him.
Good.
But you didn't care or what? You're okay with rental cars getting broken and all?
Yeah. It's not like गाड़ी कोई चोरी करके लेके।
तूने नोटिस किया कि वो लिफ्ट में तेरे को व्लॉग कर रहा था?
नहीं।
He was messaging Naseeb saying I'm coming down.
I was messaging Naseeb, I'm coming
And
down.
then when did you realize that something is fishy?
When he pulled out camera. Prank है लगा मेरे को।
But you
गाड़ी
didn't
देख
think it's a
लिया?
car. What did
I
you
didn't think it's a car
didn't?
because I was looking for car yesterday also.
When you saw the car, which car did you think it was underneath?
I didn't know. I just wanted that like it should be a German car.
Why? What's so special?
It's good cars. It's the power.
You wish you were dressed better, no?
He came like this. A little awkward. I thought he got a boner just looking at the car.
And then now, what are you gonna do with the car?
What do you think?
Maybe you should do a photo shoot with the car.
100% we should do, but we'll have to get him to wear pants first.
Should get him like really German clothes.
You didn't come to Bombay to shoot podcast.
That also I shot,
And today I was asking, where are you going? I'm going to meet.
which also I did.
भाई तेरा कार तो सिर्फ बहाना है। कार के पैसे और कुछ ज्यादा कमा के जा रहे हैं। Naseeb came to our house to do test drive and all.
हाँ,
When?
full तेरे को 3 दिन से नसीब।
जब मैं तेरे को बोला कि मेरे घर पे पेरेंट्स आए हुए हैं, मैं नहीं आ सकता।
Yeah, we went for a test drive. Naseeb drove on sports mode.
Oh,
and
बहुत crazy
Yeah,
drive.
that was quite insane.
Dude, Naseeb is so picky. Any car I would select, and I'd say it to Naseeb saying, what do you think about this car? He's like, cha, not this. Naveed won't like this. And after some point, I was like, Naseeb, तेरे लिए नहीं है गाड़ी, Naveed के लिए है. Naveed को पसंद आएगा, just trust me on it. Like, no, he has told me and all. I said, दिन भर तुम लोग सिर्फ गाड़ी के बारे में डिस्कस करता है क्या?
हाँ, हम लोग सिर्फ गाड़ी के बारे में डिस्कस करता है।
Today also we told Naseeb to call you and say कि windshield वगैरह टूटा है. Then he comes later and tells them like कि यार तन मैं I don't think I can do it.
I was like, क्यों? And he's like, मेरा झूठ नवीद पकड़ेगा.
Naseeb went to print some sticker and बाद में मेरे को अनस बोले कि अनस मेरे को बुलाया एक स्टिकर प्रिंट करने के लिए अनस को क्यों बुलाएगा?
That's what Naseeb said, sticker.
Yeah, he said I need to go print that sticker for GST or something like that.
नसीब सच में बिल्कुल ही झूठ नहीं बोल सकता है भाई.
Naseeb permission लेता है नवीद से. नवीद भाई, I need to print one sticker for GST. Can I please go?
मैं नसीब को बोला था कि तू बस ऐसा बहाना मार के नीचे आ जा. He's like, क्या बहाना मारूं? I was like, अरे बस बोल चाय वाय पीने का यार, नीचे जाता है आदमी चाय पीने के लिए यार. बोलते नहीं, he will catch me and all. He's so scared of you.
Now you are no. Now you are making it too much.
When he was rehearsing, the thing he said was, नवीद जल्दी आजा. नसीब लड़ाई कर रहा है, गाड़ी को तोड़ दिया है. तन्मय भट्ट भी है वो.
And And he tried calling me twice or thrice in the lift. So I'm like, why are you calling me? And then he came and then like he's knocking the door. Like, क्या हुआ?
Oh, nice.
कुछ तो urgency था. I thought he था actually कुछ हुआ होगा.
Yeah, Anas I think is a better choice.
Yeah, yeah.
Naseef would have come, told him, Naveed, गाड़ी थोड़ा Naseef, नहीं टूटा.
गाड़ी नहीं टूटा, सरप्राइज दे रहा है हम लोग आसपास जाए, हमने टेस्ट ड्राइव किया है.
इतना एक्साइट हो गया गाड़ी में बैठ गया और फिर ट्रैफिक में फंस गया हम लोग. क्या देखा?
रात को निकलेंगे.
पैंट पहन के.
You know to drive or what?
I used to steal my dad's car when I was 16. I used to steal the keys and I used to drive like after midnight and all. I learned how to drive when I was 16,
That
17.
was also 60 years back, yeah.
How had you surprised Akash with the car?
On his birthday, I got the car, got it below the building. And when I got out of the car, he was getting out of another vehicle. So he just saw and he was like, what? And I'm like, surprise!
एक मिनट उसका व्लॉग नहीं आया ना अब तक.
2 साल हो गया. उसके बाद एक और गाड़ी लिया. इसका भी vlog है guys. If Tanmay could just vlog my thing.
शंकर को बाइक गिफ्ट कर दिया, तेरे को गाड़ी गिफ्ट कर दिया. अभी अशु लहंगा करेगा तो थोड़ा सैड लगेगा.
नहीं, इस बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. इस टॉपिक के लिए बोलने का नहीं.
अभी थोड़ा डाउन हो जाएगा लहंगा.
क्या घर दे दो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं. हम कहाँ लेंगे पे अड़े हुए हैं.
All right, after a very successful traffic jam, we have now returned back to home. Rear view camera भी है ना, भी पीछे क्यों दिख रहा है तो?
आदत है. अरे.
And how was test drive?
Very good. I really love Volkswagen and spinning. किया था तू?
हाँ नसीब?
Tell me more. हाँ पसंद आया. तेरे को पसंद आया क्या? He is the car guru because I wouldn't know shit. He will know. So Nasib has to approve.
अनस congratulations, बहुत बढ़िया एक्टिंग किया हमने सुना.
Approved.
It's time to cut new car cake. Come. Happy car to you. Happy car day to you. Happy car day to dear Navi. And finally, phone का बदला ले लिया and Naveed got his car. I want to give a huge shout out to Arshdeep and the folks at Spinny. The experience is very transparent, respectful और गाड़ी लेने का प्रोसेस एकदम easy कर देते हैं. घर पे टेस्ट ड्राइव, डॉक्यूमेंट सब कुछ वो सॉर्ट करते हैं और साथ ही साथ डिलीवरी एकदम स्पेशल होता है. नए की रिंग्स मिलते हैं, ब्रांड न्यू कुशन्स आते हैं गाड़ी के अंदर. Net if you're a car enthusiast, I recommend Spinny highly. So thank you Spinny for helping me go far for my friend and going so far to make it special. Are we enjoying the new car? It's good, huh?
Love it. Not just because you gifted it to me.
I'm very happy that you got a new car and I have a new driver. Chal lower Pril. Boss, OTP 1344.
Cash payment होगा.
Cash payment, मैं cash payment लेता हूँ. ये ड्राइवर बहुत familiar है. मैं एक बार गोवा गया था और ऐसे ही एक ड्राइवर मिला था मुझे, याद है? पेट्रोल आ गया क्या?
आप बात मत करो वैसे.
आप गोवा में भी कैब चलाते हो क्या?
हाँ हमारा ऑल इंडिया परमिट है सर.
अच्छा. Guys, Kusha अभी बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हुए. Kusha, how are you enjoying your time in Bombay?
Oh no, I'm looking so bad. I'm
Do you like my new chauffeur service?
He's very nice.
He's
he
nice,
also does
no?
great improv.
Yeah, he does. No, he's listening to our conversations. Excuse me.
Yes sir.
आप हमारी बातें सुन रहे हैं क्या? आप प्लीज हमारी बातों पे ध्यान देना बंद करोगे?
गाना चलाऊं मैं?
एक्चुअली आप गाना गा सकते हो.
नहीं. एक्स्ट्रा पैसे लगेंगे.
एक पंजाबी गाना हम 1000 भेजेंगे, ठीक है?
कहंदी हुंदी सी
आह,
जिन टकरा गया है. अरे नहीं पंजाबी.
क्या?
जीरा.
मैम आपका लोकेशन आ गया क्या?
कितना टाइम से चला रहे हो आप कैब?
ओके सर 10 साल.
10 साल हो गया?
हाँ.
आप मैरिड हैं सर?
नहीं सर.
आपके बच्चे?
2.